Hey, what's up, y'all? The longest this video is gonna be is 10 minutes, and it's gonna go over something very important about stocks. So, hey, how do you find Will Smith in the snow? If y'all got the answer to that, leave it in the comments below, and I'm gonna check it out and I'm gonna let y'all know. But the first thing I want to go over is trading psychology. First, I'm gonna read off this PowerPoint, then I'm gonna give you knowledge like straight from the dome, like freestyle off the top of my head. So first, we're gonna go over this slide. Trading psychology. Understanding trading psychology is the only thing that will make you a profitable trader. It's all about how your behavior and mindset influence how you trade. It also touches on your discipline and risk taking. No matter what, you should always stick to the same principles and the rules. The market fluctuates, and you have to learn how not to let your emotions or plan fluctuate with it. If you're trying to avoid losses, you're wrong. Losing is unavoidable in trading, and if you as a trader can't control your trades, as in knowing when to take profits or having a stop loss, then you won't succeed. The key to being a professional trader is having a key system that will always bring you money if you follow the rules. So after reading that, hopefully y'all understand and got something from it. If you got questions, leave a comment. But what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna break it down freestyle off the top of my head and tell you what I think this means. So I just won't be reading a PowerPoint. Understanding trading is the only thing. It is the only thing that will make you a profitable trader. Because if you can't understand the psychology and your mindset behind trading, you will never make money. So a lot of times people like, hey, I want to make money. I want to make money. But it's the mindset shift that makes you want to actually trade for real, for real, for real, and keep going with it. It's like trading has a high failure rate, all because people don't have the right mindset going into it. Like your mindset has to be on, hey, I'm taking calculated risk in order to make money. And if the risk and if I fail or take a lose or a lesson, I will bounce back and continue to follow my plan because I know my plan is profitable in the long run. It's all about here. As in trading, you have to be disciplined. Nobody can teach you discipline. Discipline is built within yourself. So when I first started trading, I'm like, damn, bro, I keep fucking up. I keep fucking up. Then I was thinking like, oh wait, is I'm messing up because I'm not following my rules. I'm not using my stop loss when it's time to use it. I'm selling my profits too early. Like a lot of traders have a problem getting stopped out of trades and taking profits too fast. Like if you can automate your broker to where it sell and it take profit for you, like do that because that's the best thing you can ever do. And you ain't really got to worry about having discipline because the computer is gonna automatically do something for you. No matter what, you should always stick to the same principle and rules. That is very true because if you keep switching up your rules and principles every day, then it's like, hey, bro, you just made $100 this week, you lost $100 this week, the next week. Like keep the same principle and rules and test and see if it works. Like if you continue to switch something, you will never know if it truly worked because you're always switching it. So stick with your one strategy and always stay at it to perfect it and get better at it. If you're trying to avoid losses, you're wrong. Exactly. Trading is not about winning every single trade. Trading is about being profitable through risk management and through win rate. So yes, you can have a higher win rate than lose rate. You want to aim for that, but you also don't have to. You also have to. You don't have to stress about losing one trade. Like you ain't got no choice but to lose. Don't avoid that. Just make sure you have a plan that's set to like, hey, if I lose this much percentage on a win rate, I need to make this much so I can still be profitable. You feel me? The key to being a professional trader is having a key system. That's it, bro. If you want to be a professional trader, you need to have your plan. Hey, this is my take profit. This is my stop loss. This is when I enter a trade. I need four reasons why. This is the things I check for when I enter a trade. You need like a key plan. Like them the four things I can remember off the top of my head. You need four things as a key trader. All right, we 4 minutes into this video. We doing good, man. Tips. There go that question right here. How do you find Will Smith in the snow? Hey, y'all drop the comments. I hit y'all up. No cheating. Tips. Until you create a strategy that allows you to profit more than you lose, you won't be profitable. And if you're trading without a strategy, shit, then that just tells you that hey, I might not be profitable. You have to create a strategy that allows you to profit more than you lose. And you must understand how the strategy works and how and the win rate of that strategy. Because if you don't, then you're just going in with the flow. You don't really know what your strategy entails. For me as a trader, I always set my stop loss first. Like whenever I'm looking at forex charts or stock market charts, no matter what, I'm always setting my stop loss first. If I know my stop loss is 2.5%, boom. If I know my stop loss is 100 pips, boom. If I know my stop loss is the last resistance or the last support, I'm always setting that first. And then once I do set that stop loss, then I go to the take profit side. Okay, 5% with the stocks. 1.5%. Well, yo, 1.5 uh take profit for forex. Like after I set my stop loss, that's when I set my take profit. So I'm already planning to lose first, essentially. Remember that every trader starts out rocky, and each losing trade is a hurdle you should jump over. For me, starting, I lost like 2,000 when I first started. I lost more day trading when I first started out than like long term swing trading. I guess swing trading is calmer. Like you will lose less money swing trading, but day trading was fun and it was very addictive to me. So hold up real quick. I'ma still be talking right here though. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. I'm still here. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. All right. So here we go. Uh, if you're risking more than you can handle, limit your risk. If you're risking to lose $100 and you only have $500 in your account, like you're risking too much to where if you lose 5 trades, you ain't got no money. You should at least be able to goddamn trade 10% of your account at the most. But if you're risking more than you can handle, limit your risk. And each rule is different. Like as a day trader, a swing trader, and a long-term investor, you will each have different rules. Like a long-term investor will not sell if he down 10%, but a day trader will sell if he down 10%. So each rule is different. Uh, if you only think about winning and not planning for a stop loss, reevaluate yourself. Winning is Trading is not all about winning. It's all about being able to cut your losses and let your profits run further than your losses. Believe in yourself before anyone else will. No one will believe in you until you believe in yourself. When they see that, oh, this man's serious, then they'll believe in you. Like for me, for an example, shit, nobody would believe in me that I'm a big stock market enthusiast until they see my car. Oh, oh my goodness, burning rice and shit. Like when I became a stock enthusiast, no one believed in me until they seen my car, and they was like, "Oh, this dude's serious. He got his whole car wrapped in. Hey, this is my stock thing. This is what I do essentially." So no one will really believe in you until you give them a reason to believe in you, and part of that reason is always believing in yourself. So for me, I always believed in myself, and I understood that no one wants to hop on a train that's not rolling. So when you first start out and you're not really rolling, like me essentially, nobody really want to hop on my train. They're like, "Hey, bro, you just started out. Like, why would I follow you and you just started out yourself?" You feel me? So when you first start something, don't be deterred by people that didn't even do nothing. And a lot of people that deter you are people that didn't even don't even invest. Like you can make money investing. You can't make no money doing that. Them be the same people that don't invest. Like talk to the people that's in your field and they're gonna support you more than people that's not in your field. It's like for me, I talk to stock enthusiasts and forex people before I talk to somebody that don't do it, because I know the stock enthusiast, he the one that's gonna motivate me more instead of the other person. So I always believe in yourself before anyone else can. And hey, hopefully this video helped a lot of y'all out. Trading psychology is mandatory if you want to become an investor. And some good books I got for y'all is called The Disciplined Trader and also Trading in the Zone by Mark. First name Mark. You can be able to find. Just look up Mark Trading in the Zone and The Disciplined Trader. But yeah, I said this video gonna be up under 10 minutes. We're gonna get it at 10:01. But yeah, after this, peace out. I'm gonna post every 2 days, so check me out. If I don't post today, I'm gonna post the next day. If I post the next day, I ain't gonna post the next day. So y'all always be there to check me out and leave comments. Peace.